This is the Iron Trader, TGIF. Been a really good trading week. So here on Friday, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at General Motors and Ford. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have General Motors. You have your daily and your weekly chart. Okay, now General Motors here is, you actually put in a nice double bottom here. Okay, so when you look at this candle right here, you're looking at a low of 32.52, and then you had the retest at 32.99. So that's a really nice double bottom. Now, what we have to look at is all these areas of resistance. So we're going to look at this 21-day here at 36.15. Your 200-day at 36.91, and then we have your 100-day here at 37.89, and then your 50-day at 38.19. Now, look on a weekly chart. You have a really just a nice trading pattern. What you really need to do for this to break out is it really needs to close above that 43.63. So you have a ways to go. But right now you have a good trading channel. You're looking at 32.99 and then 41.35. So if this can get right back up in this area here, you need to close above this. Then we can go to and retest that 43.63. But just watch, there's a lot of resistance here overhead on all these SMAs. You're going to need a nice big catalyst, something kind of a growth here. Maybe the EVs will get this thing going. Now, this stock does pay a 1% dividend. So if you want this, you can make a little bit of money. It's not as good as Ford, but you can make a little bit of money here on the dividend. But watch all this support. Now, on the downside, okay, see, yesterday we had a gap up. So now we have to look at the bottom of this candle here, which is 35.87. And then we want to look at the top of that one, which is 35.73. So that'd be your gap. Then we look down here to this 8 SMA right here at 34.62. Now that'll push up here when the market gets open. So that'll be your support levels. If you can, hold those levels, you'll be good. If not, you're going to go there and retest that 32.99. Okay, here we have Ford. Okay, we have pretty much the same kind of a situation. So yesterday it gapped up. Okay, so now you want to look for the gap on the downside at 1171, and then you want to look here on the for 1165. That would be your fill. Then you would have this 1170, which would be your 8-day SMA. Now, what we have here is you have the same situation you had GM. You still have a trading pattern here of 1112 on the bottom and 1318 on the top. That's your trading channel. But if you look at the same thing, this has been going up, down, up, down. But you know that this one here is making lower highs. Okay, so this pattern is really starting to tighten up. If it can break that 1465, then you got a shot here to go higher here. So that would be 1668, and then you just keep on going on all these levels, which are above, okay? And then all the way back to the retest here at 2587. But let's not get too excited here. There's a look at all these SMAs. These are all super big resistant levels. Now, they came out and they restarted the Lightning truck. The problem with this is last July, they offered that truck for $40,000. Now they raised the price again. Your base model now is $58,500. Your medium model here is $76,000, and your top of the line is $98,000 for this Lightning truck. So I don't know what kind of demand that's going to be. Now, it might be a huge demand, but we'll have to see how that all kind of shakes out. Now, this stock, Ford, does pay a 4.88% dividend. So if you wanted to hold it, you could hold it just watch this key 11, 12 on the downside and watch that 13, 18 here on the upside, the trading channel. If it can break up or if it breaks down. Thanks for watching.